There's about 13 of them, and I can see some of the brass instruments, a tuba, I think, a couple of trumpets maybe, and I think a drum set or something in the middle. But there you go. If you've seen the images on the screen, they've sort of got a haka of sorts going on. Police statue of 225. What I've heard is the Fiji police band is renowned in a lot of the tattoos. So, they've got a reputation for uphold. So we'll see how they go here in Port Moresby.
They certainly have already, in a way, winning the hearts of the audience here. Spectators who've actually flocked in at the stadium. The first performance of the Pacific Police tattoo. Our neighboring Fijians on stage. Certainly must take a lot of training and discipline. I watched this with a huge awe in a way. How the steps are synchronized, the maneuvers, the drills. It takes time to master this sort of art. By Patido, if I remember, if I can correctly say, Pacific Islands. So we're going to become like the theme song for the 2015 back then of the Pacific Festival of Arts here in Moresby in Papua New Guinea. We're one of our very own, of course, talented musician, not only in PNG but across the region as well, Pati Portstoy. It's been re-echoed by the Fiji Police Band.
Samek Kirtan grandstand at the Sir Hubert Murray Stadium. Certainly a lot of discipline, and especially to carry those instruments. And of course the lead who carries that, I'm not too sure what, I'm sure there's a name for it, a ceremonial name for it, but it's like a staff. And of course you just threw that up in the air and caught it.
would have been originally by Neil Diamond. Here's Isa Isa. This is traditional Fiji now. And modern police creates really immense camaraderie as they get the other members of the police personnel.
That's great to see. Gender equality, gender inclusion, of course, even in the police bands, which is something very important. We all need to understand in this day and age.
Isa Isa ulagi la sadi